Ready, Daddy?
Tip number 2 of don't try this at home. Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn your wheel. That thing's gonna come down. You're gonna hurt it. I can go, watch out.
Sorry for the tree, guys, but I'm staying out of the way.
Here's number 1.
Woo!
Oh, this is the tree.
No. You're dead center on the tree.
Woo! She's running, baby! Stop it! Stop it! Careful, hold it! Steady. One more. All right, hold it.
There she is.
So let me let you in on a secret of YouTube. When you hit that subscribe button, it is absolutely free to use, but it immensely blesses me.
Most likely the light of mine will burn out in the mountains where I spend my rambling years. I paid my sins from the poor traveling days. Oh Lord, please, can't you hear my prayers? So I rode my body up the mountain, to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear. Most likely the son of mine will be found in the mountains where I'm born and raised. I paid my duty as the sunny side cutie. Oh Lord, hear the sorrow in my heart. So I rode my body up the mountain, to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear. Up the mountain, to a place where I can sit in my rocking chair. I rode my buddy up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
All right, y'all, if y'all haven't picked up already, we're gonna try to wash this old girl today. This 1965 Mercury Montclair, I know, has not been washed in at least 16 years. It's got a lot of dirt and grime on it, so I don't know how well it's gonna come clean. It's got some, it's had a horrible paint job on it before it was original paint job, and it's probably gonna come off as well. So we don't know what the old girl's gonna look like when we get done, but we're at least gonna clean her up. I still think I've gotta do some inspection on the car to really see. This may sound like bad news, and I really hope it doesn't turn out to be this way, but there's a lot of rust on this old girl, and I'm beginning to wonder if it is a project that is worthy of really casting a lot of money into to bring her back to life. I know I've got a good 390. I believe I've got a good transmission, so is there still opportunity there? Yeah, there is. So I'm hoping that we can bring this old girl back, because I'd really love to, but at least we're gonna clean her up today and see if we can at least make this old girl shine at least one more time. So you've seen it. Now we're gonna jump into it in just a minute, and we're gonna wash it. So hopefully this will be a pretty interesting video for you. If you're not subbed to the channel, yeah, we asked. We're still a small channel. I think we just rolled over 7,500 subscribers, and y'all are truly a blessing to us. I know myself and Nikki T, my wife, I know the old man, we're just honored by this. We love that y'all hang out with us in these old, really revivals, if you will, trying to bring these old rigs back to life. We have a lot at my dad's house. Of course, I wanted, excuse me, I wanted this one to be one project that I could work on here, and hopefully that'll be able to take place. If not, I'm sure I'll be able to find another one. So we're looking forward to that. But without any further ado, let's get to watching this old girl. So I'm gonna hit it with some extreme purple power here. I've got some other stuff I'm gonna spray on it, kind of to do that as a pre-wash. And then I'm gonna go over it with a pressure washer, and then I'm probably gonna come back and scrub and do some kind of final touch-up. So that's at least the plan. All right, y'all, I've just sprayed just a little bit of that stuff on it, and you can see some of the grime is already breaking up. I mean, you can see the discoloration there. That's some good stuff. You can see it on this side. I mean, it's breaking some of the dirt and grime up. I'll show you over here as well. I mean, you can really see here. I probably could right in, yeah, look at there. YouTube. Subscribe, please. Was that other song? Ain't Too Proud to Beg. All right, I changed my mind. Gonna hit it with some of this. Look at that. Y'all didn't know I was such a good aim, did you? All right, I'm gonna hit it with some of this mean green super strength. Y'all, my wonderful Walmart hyper tough accessory broke, and got water all over my britches. It don't help that it's only about 37 degrees out here today. For a Georgia boy, that's cold. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of scrub this, move this a little bit around on the car. We'll let it sit a minute or two, and then we're gonna come back and hit it with some pressure. Might even scrub it a little bit, and we're gonna see what this old girl looked like in the end. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna wet this and scrub the car. I was just thinking of something that I think, you know, everybody ought to really know. It's one of those things that, you know, you shouldn't know and keep it to yourself. Here's something I really thought was important to share with y'all. Do you know what's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all, here's the first pressure. Look at all that dirt, nasty. Look at all that. Yeah. You can see the difference over there. Is this the cleanest car you've ever seen? Nope. Well, this is the cleanest this car has been in at least 16 years. I'm gonna give you a reveal. But as I turn and give you a reveal, I wanna let you know there's gonna be something at the end of this video that you're gonna wanna hang around for. Not just the reveal, there's gonna be another reveal at the end of this video, I hope. So hang around and you will be able to see the special reveal. Hang around to the end. So let's look. All right, here she is. First time. Now, of course, you can't clean rust, but you can sure enough clean a lot of that mess that was sitting in there. And once again, she ain't perfect. All right, y'all, Nikki T just showed up. What you think, baby?
She looks
Ready to take her to church?
lighter.
Lighter, yeah. She's not as
All those years of grossness is gone.
Yep.
And the top, impressively, is white.
Yeah, you thought it was black, huh? Pretty gross. All right, y'all, I told you there would be a reveal at the end of the episode. All right, y'all, I'm in the rig. Now, the inside, boy, it still needs a lot of cleaning. But I know that was something. Nikki T, wasn't there, you coming around, baby? I think there was something that we really wanted to see if it worked. And it was this button right here says rear window. So I don't know if y'all can see back there. Well, let's see together if it works. Oh no, it rolls down a little bit. It rolls up. The motor works, but I guess the track probably needs to be cleaned. Coming a little bit more each time. Oh.
I feel like this is a game of pressure luck.
Oh. I guess I need to clean it, but isn't that cool? It does still, the motor still works, the switch still works. I got a little bit of a breezeway. All right, y'all, so let's get over here, babe. For me and Nikki T, we thank y'all so very much. I think there'll be a the doggone door won't shut. Hold on.
It's like Waffle House, it's always open.
Yeah, haha, dad joke. The car's like Waffle House, it's always open. Come on, Nikki T, get in here. All right, y'all, we're gonna close out the video, but I wanna give you an announcement. Nikki T, I don't know if we can do this, but we're gonna try to. Wednesday of next week is
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. So it's not Christmas Eve, it's Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
We're gonna go live at 9 o'clock on this channel. Live 9 o'clock on this channel. There's gonna be some Miss Breezy 65 Montclair discussion. There's gonna be some pudding discussion. We're hopefully gonna have a pudding video out before Wednesday of next week. Hopefully this video obviously will be out before Wednesday of next week, but we're gonna go live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the RevStoration channel. So bring your questions, bring your car discussions. We're gonna pull up in the study at the house and we're gonna have some RevStoration conversation. That's hard to say that.
RevStoration conversation.
That's harder for me to say than it is for her to say. So once again, we thank y'all so very much for hanging out with us. We love y'all. We hope to see you at our first live on this channel, and we're looking forward to it next Wednesday, the Wednesday before Christmas at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this channel, and we're gonna have some 65 Montclair discussion, some pudding discussion, and some fun talk. Bring your questions, bring your stories. I'm looking forward to seeing them and hearing them, and we know no way of closing out any of these videos and saying
Deuces.
deuces. May God bless.